Hello YouTubers, my name is Rick.
My name's Amanda.
Hey Alice, guess what? Here's that dessert we were telling you about.
Yes, it is. Today I was going to make a healthier version of a peppermint chocolate chip cookie that I made with my grandmother when I was a little girl. With that said, let's get baking. First of all, you need to preheat your oven to 355. We already preheated it. And as you can tell, I pre-measured all of our ingredients today for this video. Then you need a large bowl, mixing bowl, and you need a half a cup of butter or a stick of butter. We're going to melt it today in the microwave. And while that's melting, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of the Swerve granulated sugar. Yes. I like baking. It's okay. I like baking with my grandmother when I was a little girl. We always baked for like church potlucks and when new people come in to town to visit with us. And she was a very lovely lady. Like I said, she loved baking and cooking.
Now these are going to be keto safe. Any diet, any kind of diet you're on, you'll be fine with this.
Let's mix that together. So it's well combined. I think it's well combined. What do you think, Rick?
It looks like it to me.
Okay. Then you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Plop.
Plop, 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 plop.
Put that over there. Then you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract, hence the name of the cookie, peppermint chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
Oh, I love the smell of peppermint. Whoops, a little too much there.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe more peppery.
More peppermint. And then you need 1 large egg. Let's crack it. I always like to crack the eggs when I cooked it. Oh, baking with my grandmother, I'm sorry. Throw that over there. Then we'll mix it up again till it's well mixed. That was about 15 seconds or so. Then you need 1.5 cups of this almond flour. 1.5 cups. Make sure we get it all out. So, Rick, how was your day today?
That's pretty good. Had to go to the big city. Had to get the oil change on the car.
And you need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Didn't want to come out.
And I've got the tires rotated.
Ooh, yay.
Oh yeah, and I got my ears lowered.
For people who don't know that means he got his hair cut. And then you need 1/2 teaspoon of this xanthan gum. Gotta make sure we get it all out there.
It's a combining agent.
Yes, I'm sorry. Thank you, Rick. I was going to say that.
Okay.
And then you need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're using pink salt since it's healthier for you.
It has 84 minerals in it.
Yes, it does. Okay, let's see if I can get it out.
Some of the minerals you get from that you can't get from our food.
Yeah.
That's a really good alternative to any other salads.
It doesn't want to come out. Whoops. There we go. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
It does have a better flavor as far as I'm concerned.
I like it. Then we'll mix it until it's well blended. do this when I was a little girl with my grandmother. She let me mix it. But sometimes I try to eat the dough. I think it's well mixed. What do you think,
Yes.
Rick?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Then you get 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. And we're using Lily's semi-sweet baking chocolate chips. They're actually really good. I taste tested a chocolate chip. You dump that in there. Then you just mix that together. Actually, this smells good.
Oh, good.
I can smell the mint in it. Oh.
Those are chocolate chips. They don't have any carbs in it.
Oh yeah.
That's the best part of about using those.
Yes. Look at this. I think it's well mixed together.
Yep, I think so.
I really want to lick my fingers so bad, but I'm not going to. Since I'm just not going to. Next, you're going to get a cookie sheet. And I have a silicone mat on there so it won't stick. The cookies won't stick. And then you need to make 12.
It makes 12 servings. Well, let's see what she can make out of this.
12 little balls. One. See, I like to make monster cookies.
So mine, yeah, me too. So I don't think it'll come
So
out.
I don't know if it's going to have 12. These look really good. I really want to eat a cookie dough. When I was a little girl, I loved eating cookie dough.
Well, with these ingredients, I think you can.
I think we could.
Yeah. And I can't wait to have these.
I know, right?
Because I can have these.
He's got to wait till tomorrow because these are for church service.
Yes,
Potluck,
they are.
I mean.
Yeah. I might take one when she's not looking, though. You know me.
I count how many I have. He forgets that, don't you?
Yeah, that's all right. I'll break one in half.
Well, I got 6 on there, guys.
We're getting there. Oh, yeah. We're not going to make 12 for sure.
Oh, these peppermint cookies. They remind me of my childhood. Okay, I'm only gonna put 9 on here. Let me rinse my hands off.
Yeah, I should try that out, but I'm holding the camera, guys.
Yeah, he can't hold the camera and try out the cookies.
I could, but that could mess up the video kind of good.
Okay, we're gonna slide these little cookies into the preheated oven at 355 on the top shelf for about 8 to 10 minutes. With that, we'll be back to see how our peppermint chocolate chip cookies turn out. Hey guys, we're back and it's been 10 minutes. Let's check those cookies. First we need our handy dandy oven mitt. Ooh, they look good. What do you think?
I think so.
It would help if you push the right button. And with that,
Put them on a cooling rack.
we're going to put them on a cooling rack and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. And these are our cookies we made. And I plated them already. And this is what they look like. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my goodness. They really look good. And
They
they
smell really good to you guys.
Yes, they are.
I already tasted the other one. Oh, it's so good.
Yes, I was nice and I let him to taste test one of them. And we hope that you guys will make these cookies. And they are really good. They are the healthier version of a peppermint chocolate chip cookie that I made with my granny as a little girl.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you feel like you need to or you want to, we're hoping you will.
Please do. With that, peace out.
Peace out, guys. Take care. Nice having you guys back. Later, Gators.